Our objective of today is cell mediated immunity. We will continue the topic immune system in previous lectures continuation. Role of our objectives are today is our role of antigen presenting cells in cellular immune response, role of lymphocytes in cellular immune response, mechanism involved in cellular immune response, type cytokines and their role in cellular immune response, interaction between the components of immune system in regulating immune response. Cell mediated immunity. Cell mediated immunity provided by T lymphocytes. T lymphocytes provide immunity to intracellular bacteria, viruses, fungi, protozoa and tumors. T cells can recognize antigen only when it is presented on the surface of antigen presenting cells, that is APCs, by self MHC molecules. Antigen bind to MHC molecules and that is presented to T cells. This self MHC restriction results from positive selection during maturation of T cells in thymus. During maturation, सेल्फ एमएससी रेस्ट्रिक्शन का पॉजिटिव सिलेक्शन होता है और नॉन सेल्फ जो वो एमएचसी होते हैं वो उनका वहाँ पे डिस्ट्रॉय कर दिए जाते हैं. एंटीजन प्रेजेंटिंग सेल, डेंड्राइटिक सेल class 1 MSC and class 2 MSC present on the surface of dendritic cells. Macrophages has class 1 MSCs and class 2 MSCs. B lymphocytes have class 1 MSCs and class 2 MSCs. These are shown on the surface of the cells. These colored receptors are showing class 1 MSC and class 2 MSCs. MHC, major histocompatibility cells. Major histocompatibility complex, cells, not cells. Cells that present antigen to T lymphocytes and activate them are called antigen presenting cells. They express both class 1 and class 2 MSC molecules on surface. Also expresses B7 molecules. They present antigens by class 1 MSC molecules to CD8 T cells. T cells also have mainly two types of receptors, CD8 and CD4. Antigen presenting cells class 1 MSC molecules present to the CD8 जिन टी सेल्स पे एक्सप्रेस हो रहा है उनको, और क्लास 2 MSC मॉलिक्यूल्स जिन पे CD4 एक्सप्रेस हो रहा है यानी CD4 पॉजिटिव सेल है उनको क्लास 2 MSC मॉलिक्यूल से बाइंड एंटीजन होता है प्रेजेंट करता है और क्लास 1 MSC को CD8 से. प्रोफेशनल एंटीजन presenting cells are dendritic cells, macrophages and B cells. Antigen presenting cells, dendritic cell, macrophages and B lymphocytes are shown in this diagram, and certain properties of there are in which they different is shown in this chart. Antigen presentation. How antigen presentation occur? Antigen presenting cells process and present antigen in two pathways, exogenous or endocytic pathway. Phagocytosed microorganisms are degraded in the phagosomes and peptides are presented in this pathway by class 2 MSC molecules. Endogenous or cytosolic pathway. Intracellular microorganisms synthesize protein in the cytoplasm that are presented in this pathway by class 1 MHC molecule. Antigen presentation. Shown in this diagram, nucleus, endocytic processing pathway. A endosome is formed through, first is the antigen ingested to endocytical or antigen is ingested by the cell is form endosome. Endosome is ingested by the digested by the lysosome. It synthesizes certain peptide class 2 MSC complex protein. Means some peptides are formed by the endosome and they bind with class 2 MSC molecules. They are peptides of antigens and class 2 major histocompatibility complexes are expressed on the surface of antigen presenting cell. In another pathway, that is viral mRNA is integrated by the host DNA and host DNA replicates and viral proteins are formed. You know the pathway of central dogma of protein synthesis. RER, ribosomes on RER forms the viral peptides and Golgi complex, in Golgi complex they matures. Class 1 MSC and viral peptide are expressed on the surface of the cell. Means you found difference between these two pathways. Already you have understood I think cytosolic pathway, in which maturation, expression and binding of peptide class 2 MSC complex is occur in cytosol, and another is एंडोसाइटोटिक, क्योंकि उसमें न्यूक्लियस में जो डीएनए है वो भी इन्वॉल्व है. T lymphocytes maturation. T lymphocyte, as you know, derived from bone marrow by hematopoiesis. Progenitor T cells migrates to thymus. Their maturation occurs in the thymus. Rearrange TCR gene segments and acquire TCR. Undergo two selection process. Positive selection, self MHC restriction. Negative selection, self tolerance. Acquire surface CD molecules like CD3, CD4, CD8. Two population of T cells are released to circulation: CD4 or helper T cells, CD4 or cytosolic T cells. Maturation of T cells in lymphocytes. This chart shown the process of, as you know, is arrived from bone marrow. Progenitor T cells, they migrate to thymus. After migration to thymus, they have rearranged genetic rearrangement, and CD4 and CD8 with CD8, CD4 positive and negative selection of MSC1 and MSC2 occur. T lymphocyte after maturation, as this diagram show, CD8 positive, CD4 positive. Both surface receptor are present on the T lymphocyte, bind to the MSC1 and MSC2 of the antigen presenting cell. CD4 and CD8 cells has self recognition and non-self recognition. Mechanism of cell mediated immunity. Antigen recognition by T cells. Antigen presenting cells have MSC1 and MSC2 on their surface. T helper cell bind with antigen presenting cell, and after binding to this cell, the T cytotoxic T lymphocyte activated, and it also bind to the complex of the antigen presenting cell and T lymphocyte, and phagocytize the active antigen presenting cell. Antigen presenting cell present antigen by class 1 MSC molecules to CD8 positive T cytotoxic cells and by class 2 MSC molecules to CD4 positive T helper cell. Mechanism of cell-mediated immunity. Antigen recognition by T cells. T cells recognize specific antigen presented with MSC molecules on the surface of antigen-presenting cells by T cell recognition. Each T cell has to power 5 T cell recognizers on its surface, all of which recognize one antigen or epitope. 10 has to power 10 clones of T cells which recognize 10 has to power 10 antigens. Antigen recognition by T cell recognition provide stimulatory signal to the T cell. Binding of B cell molecule on antigen presenting cell with CD28 molecule on T cell provides co-stimulatory signal to the cell. When T cells receives both stimulatory signal 1 and 2 signals, they are activated. Clonal activation, that's the divides and forms same type of the T cells. If the T cells receive only the stimulatory signal without co-stimulatory signal, they are permanently inactivated. T cell differentiation. Activated T cells starts to proliferate, synthesize and secretes interleukin-2 and express interleukin-2 receptors on the cell surface. After several divisions, they differentiate to effector and memory T cell populations. Memory T cells have long lifespan, almost 20 to 30 years, and provide immunity if person is re-exposed to the same antigen. T cell differentiation. Effector C cells are short-lived, few days to weeks cells and carry out specialized functions. For example, CD8 positive effector T cells induce apoptosis of virus infected and tumor cells, cytotoxic killing. CD4 positive effector T cells secrete cytokines that causes macrophage activation to kill intracellular pathogens and to help T cytotoxic cells and B cell activation. Antigen elimination by cell-mediated immunity, diagrammatically shown here. Process I have already discussed with you. Antigen elimination by CMI, CD4 positive effector T cells. With influence of cytokines, for example interleukin-12 from antigen presenting cells, T helper cells differentiate to T helper 1 cells. T helper 1 cells releases cytokines, for example interferon gamma. Interferon gamma activates macrophages that phagocytose and eliminate intracellular pathogen. CD4 positive effector T cells activated macrophages have more phagocytic and killing activity and they phagocytose and kill intracellular pathogen effectively. Regulatory role of T helper cells. T helper cells help in activation of T cytotoxic cell activation. Naive cytotoxic T cells require cytokines from